Well, I got sent home from work today, and the reason I got sent home is actually going to set me back just a bit on the demolition derby builds, and it's going to set me back a bit on pretty much everything. I've now been put on, I guess it's called light duty now on the job site because I cut my hand and I got about 8 stitches in it. So it's going to really slow me down. I'll put some photos of my cut at the very end of the video. So if you guys actually want to see it, check out the end. But so the next derby, I'm going to say, is about 10 days away, maybe 11. But these stitches have to be in my hand for the next 14 days. So I might be running the first demolition derby of 2018 with stitches in my hand. And that's a bit of a setback, that's for sure. But the other reason I want to talk to you guys is, if you guys don't know this, I'm working a lot of overtime right now. Every morning I wake up at 3:30 a.m. I start uploading a video to YouTube, and I pretty much have it uploaded by 4:30. I have all my tags put on. I've been kind of skipping a little bit on the descriptions just because of how tired I am. So I leave my house at 4:30 a.m. I get to my job site at 5:45. Work starts at 6. I leave my job site at 4:30 p.m. And because I'm right out in rush hour, I pretty much fight traffic the whole way home. I'm lucky to be home by 6:15. So I've kind of not had a lot of time to be outside here in the workshop working away. But I've been trying my best to keep the videos coming for you guys. And I kind of knew this point in time was going to come where I can no longer keep up with the videos. Like, I've just been trying as hard as I can, but I've been finding it harder and harder to make videos and keep the content coming. So with this injury, now this is going to really make it hard. So what I'm just going to do right here is I'm going to tell you guys how these cars are coming. Infected, right there, is just about done. We have a lot of Toyota Camrys out here. We also have this minivan, but just ignore that piece of junk. So we have 2 Camrys for the scrapyard. Got the Accord wagon. Not 100% sure what's going to happen with that. We got the new Solera that we got last weekend. Another Solera beside it that's been there a while. We got that RSX, which I've started to part out. HHR. Now, this HHR here, I was going to do a motor swap on it, but now I'm thinking I'm just going to send this motor in the car and basically everything into scrap, because honestly, it's not worth it for me to put a motor into that. I'll probably just fill it up and take her to scrap. We've got our 4 Camrys on the back line. This one here. And then we have our Firebird. Now, I'm getting a little bit tired of building these Camrys. I'm getting better at them, but realistically, guys, I even know a lot of you guys are getting tired of seeing me build Camrys. So I think the next car that we're going to probably pull into the shop is going to be this Firebird, and we're going to start building it. But I don't know. Oh, the Avalon. Yes, you guys just seen the video about this Avalon the other day. I had a neighbor come over and told me that he blew up the motor in his F-150 and he needs a car to drive until spring. So I told him to take the Avalon. So this Avalon will be gone for, I'm going to say, probably 5-6 months, maybe 4. Who knows what kind of condition it'll be in when we get back. It's just a young kid that's pretty hard on his vehicle. So I told him he could take it, beat the snot out of it. I don't care. As long as he returns it and it runs, it drives, it stops, that's all I need. So we'll see what kind of condition he brings it back in. So inside the shop, we have Newcomb. Now Newcomb is got the doors painted white now. It's pretty much done. There's still little things left to do to it. But as Newcomb sits, it's pretty much done except for something that's paint job wise. I guess windshield too, but I'm not too concerned about that. Where it's going, I'm allowed to leave the windshield in. And Heart Attack is getting ready, and I got the doors painted white. But I want to talk about something that's going to be happening here on Zach's Workshop in the future, and probably the near future. So here on Zach's Workshop, I've never really had a sponsor. I kinda got a little bit of a partnership about 4 years ago with Barry Mazda, where they would sell me their scrap cars, but it wasn't really a partnership that worked for me. So after one car, I got rid of it. I was approached by some people to be sponsored by them, and I'm really excited to be sponsored by them. Details will come later, but we are talking about a free giveaway. 100% free to you guys. I pay the shipping of the items to get to you and all that stuff. The criteria will be is you have to leave a comment on this, well, not this video, but you'll have to leave a comment on the video for the contest, and then you'll have to go to Facebook and like his page. And I'll put the description in the comments when I do the video, and that's all you have to do to be entered into this contest, is leave a comment so I can do the draw, and then if I pick your name, I will double check on his Facebook to make sure you guys like his Facebook. And what he is doing is he is a new guy to the Demolition Derby world of wrapping cars, roof signs, decals, stickers, basically that kind of thing. So what we're talking about is a giveaway of a roof sign. And I don't know, he says that he's going to get a new one for me, and I will happily be representing it along with his logo on it, but we'll see what the future holds. And I'm going to probably be getting some more information on this giveaway in probably the next week. So guys, please stay tuned with some more information about it. As soon as I get any more information, I will be passing it right on to you guys, because I love doing giveaways and I love sending you guys stuff. And this will be our third giveaway on this YouTube channel, and I'm actually really happy that I'm actually going to be giving you guys something amazing. Not like the last time I gave away a t-shirt for my first one. My second YouTube giveaway, I actually gave away a model derby car that I built, plus a t-shirt and some stickers. This time here, we'll be giving away a t-shirt of mine from Zach's Workshop, one of his t-shirts, a roof sign with your numbers, your name, and maybe some input on what you want to see on that roof sign. And it will all be shipped to you free of cost. So I will get some information on this, and we'll see you guys back here. And thank you guys very much for watching. This YouTube channel would not be nearly as big as it is without your help and your just watching my videos every time I upload one. I know that there's probably 500 guys out there that watch my videos every single day, and I really am grateful for you guys. I talk to a lot of you guys on Zach's Workshop on Facebook. I talk to you a lot of guys over Messenger. I talk to a lot of you guys in other group chats like We Crash and 519 Derby Cars and Northeastern Derby Supply. I talk to a lot of you guys, and I just want to say thank you. And this is the way that I can help give back to you. And honestly, guys, that's the best part of this, is actually being able to give something to you drivers and the local drivers around me. So thanks very much. Now, for all you guys that are waiting, I will be putting up photos of my hand in the end of this video. So if you're a bit squeamish, please look away.